Your roof is one of the biggest investments you'll make in your home, but just like your car needs regular oil changes, your roof needs routine maintenance if you want it to last as long as possible. The good news is that roof maintenance doesn't have to be complicated. A few simple habits can help you catch small problems before they turn into expensive repairs. I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been solving problems with homeowners for over 35 years. Today I'll share 6 simple ways to maintain your roof so you can maximize your roof investment. Let's get into it. Number 1, check your attic for signs of trouble. Believe it or not, one of the best places to spot roofing problems isn't on the roof, it's in your attic. If you have attic access, occasionally look for water stains, damp insulation, mold, or sunlight coming through the roof decking. These can be early warning signs that your roof needs attention before a leak becomes a much bigger problem. Number 2, keep leaves and debris off your roof. Leaves, sticks, and other debris may not seem like a big deal, but when they sit on your roof or collect in the valleys, they trap moisture. Over time, that moisture can shorten the life of your roofing materials and even lead to rot. Keeping your roof clean also allows water to flow where it's supposed to instead of sitting against your roof system. Number 3, clean your gutters regularly. Your gutters play a bigger role than most homeowners realize. When gutters become clogged, water backs up onto the roof instead of flowing safely away from your home. That extra moisture can damage shingles, fascia board, and even your foundation over time. A clean gutter system helps protect your entire roofing system. Number 4, trim overhanging tree branches. Trees provide great shade, but branches hanging over your roof can cause problems. They can scrape shingles during windy weather, drop leaves that collect on the roof, and even break during storms. Keeping branches trimmed back helps reduce unnecessary wear and tear while keeping debris to a minimum. Number 5, inspect roof penetrations and flashing. Some of the most common roof leaks don't happen in the middle of your roof. They happen around areas like plumbing vent pipes, chimneys, skylights, and other roof penetrations. These areas rely on flashing and specialized components to keep the water out. If you notice cracked pipe boots, damaged flashing, or deteriorated sealant, it's a good idea to have them inspected before they become a leak. Number 6, schedule regular professional roof maintenance. Even if your roof looks fine from the ground, there are things that only a trained roofing contractor will notice. At Bill Ragan Roofing Company, we've always believed that preventative maintenance is one of the best ways to maximize the life of your roof. A professional inspection can identify small issues before they turn into major repairs and help you get the most out of your roofing investment. Summary of the key points. Check your attic for early signs of leaks. Remove leaves and debris from your roof. Keep your gutters clean and flowing properly. Trim tree branches away from your roof. Inspect flashing and roof penetrations. Have your roof professionally maintained on a regular basis. Roof maintenance isn't about doing one big thing every few years. It's about taking small, consistent steps that help protect one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. A little maintenance today can help you avoid costly repairs tomorrow and keep your roof performing the way it's designed to. If you want to learn more about roof maintenance, roof replacement, or how to get the most life out of your roofing system, watch our next video on roof penetrations. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping homeowners just like you. I'll see you on the next one.